Exercise number 15. Start. We have now come to realize that it is easy to plan but difficult to plan within our resources. Full stop. We have to cut our coat according to our cloth. Full stop. When we came to office, I thought the first requirement in the country was external and internal security. Full stop. You must have any plan unless there is security. Full stop. I started planning for the integration of whatever remained of the country and also tried to secure peace because I found that the world had changed. Full stop. We have talk of world peace, but there is no country in the world which is not in a disturbed condition. Full stop. Even the countries which had freedom for centuries and which had never been slaves are in a disturbed condition. Full stop. In this country which won freedom only yesterday and which has a past legacy of so many disturbing elements, it is impossible to make progress unless we first restore order. Full stop. On top of it came partition, which made our task difficult. Full stop. We were just settling down when came the devaluation. Full stop. Things are not entirely in our hands even today to plan for the progress of the country because we depend upon so many outside factors which govern us. Full stop. The planners have to take into account many extraneous circumstances. Full stop. Next paragraph. My own view, which I have not concealed and which I have expressed often to the displeasure of many, is that if we had not played false to ourselves and to our country, large imports of food would have been unnecessary. Full stop. We have plenty of food in this country. Full stop. 5 or 10% of deficit in a huge country like this is not difficult to make up by increased production, by prevention of waste, by putting in maximum efforts to economize and also by applying our hearts unitedly in the matter of giving up food stuffs where they are surplus. Full stop. There are some provinces which are surplus and others are deficit. Full stop. Whenever a province tries to procure the surplus food from the people, we do not speak with one voice. Full stop. Some of us put our province first and the rest of the country afterwards. Full stop. We know that our neighbors are, in spite of their best efforts, not getting enough to eat, and yet we feel that if we feed our province, the rest does not matter. Full stop. Considerable planning is required to make the presidents and chief ministers meet. Full stop. Next paragraph. Planning, however good, will not work till we realize our responsibility and till we feel that it is our obligation to help in the implementation of a scheme that has been planned. Full stop. It is not the Congress organization alone, but there are groups whose business is it is to destroy everything that we do. Full stop. Their main function is to find fault with everything we do However good it may be, full stop. There are some groups who are bent or creating disruption and dislocation and go to the length of creating chaos, committing murders and dacoities, removing rails and tampering with communications, full stop. These are matters of great concern, full stop. On that account, considerable amount of strain has been placed on the government, full stop. In spite of all that, we have to large extent restored order, and this has been appreciated by the people who come from outside, full stop. This is practically the only stable country in the whole of Asia, and it is one place where we can stem the tide of aggression and disorder, full stop. Many have expressed admiration for the work that has been done, but that work would not last unless we have enough food in the country to feed our people, full stop. Next paragraph. Machinery will not solve the problem because millions of idle hands who have no work cannot find employment on machines. Full stop. India's planning must necessarily differ from the planning of highly developed and industrialized country. Full stop. India is primarily agricultural country, and in a country as thickly populated as India is, idleness is the greatest disease, full stop. Gandhi's planning was therefore of a different kind and it was difficult, full stop. But it is difficult to plan on a non-industrial basis also, full stop. We must industrialize our country quickly and efficiently in certain directions, full stop. Otherwise, we are doomed in the modern world because a modern army requires many things which only machines can produce apart from arms and ammunition, uniforms and stores, jeeps and motor cars, aeroplanes and petrol, full stop. If industry is not developed in the country, we have to depend to external sources, full stop. If the world succeeds in bringing about conditions in which no country requires an army, then the scheme of self-sufficiency in villages would be the ideal thing to work for, full stop. But that is not so, full stop. We have to plan both the industry which is immediately necessary and for agriculture which is of primary importance, full stop. Today, the most controversial question in the country which has brought the government into trouble and made it unpopular is controls, full stop. The government has not got the machinery for effective controls in any sphere, full stop. It has got barely enough stuff to run the administration, full stop and over.